Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you a new keyword that is continue keyword. And it is little different from break keyword. Now, what continue keyword do? It tells your program to ignore the rest of code that is inside the loop. But don't completely break it. Just go to the loop and restart from another cycle of loop. It is hard to explain, so I'll show you example of this. So let's go ahead and make a program, and we need a variable int a equals to 1. And now let's say we are coach of a cricket team and we have 10 people in our team, and we have to give numbers to every person in our team, and some numbers have been taken already. So if that's the case, we are going to say this number is not available, and we will be doing that through the use of continue keyword. Now I am just making a do while loop, and the condition is while a is less than or equal to 10. So we have numbers from 1 to 10. So now we need a condition to continue. So let's pretend that the number 6 and 8 are already taken. So if a equals to 6 and a equals to 8 are taken, then what we want to do is a plus plus, because if we don't have this right here, then it will be stuck on 6 or 8 for forever, and it never break or never gonna get completed. Then continue, this is the keyword to continue our loop. And outside this if statement, this will print if you don't hit the if condition, printf %d is not is available, sorry, is available, backslash n comma a, because we are going to put here a value of a, then a plus plus, so that it can go to next iteration or next loop cycle. Now if we run this, you can see in the screen it printed 1 is available, 2 is available, 3 is available, 4 is available, 5 is available. It skips 6, and it printed 7 is available, it skips 8, and it printed 9 is available, 10 is available. So that's the beauty of this continue keyword. Now what this continue keyword will do, it every time it prints the number which is available and leaves the number that is not available. After leaving the number, it continues to another number. That's how we use continue statement. If I hope you have understand the tutorial. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.